Top Dance 50 by 100 Fixed LED Screen Display Installation Guide. Take the first cabinet, align it with the truss, and secure it using the mounting bracket and thumb screws. Take the second cabinet, align it with the first, and use the quick lock system to secure them together. Connect the built-in power cables and signal cables to link the cabinets vertically. Install the rest of cabinets the same way and secure with mounting brackets. Continue assembling the remaining cabinets. Use external power and signal cables to connect them horizontally. Finally, connect the main power cable to the last cabinet. There are two types of modules. Modules with the power port on the right go on the left side of the cabinet, and modules with the power port on the left go on the right side. Connect the signal cable and power cable to the module. Align the positioning pins and attach it to the cabinet with magnetic system. Install the remaining modules using the same process. Make sure to place each type pin the correct position. Power on the Top Dance 50 by 100 fixed LED screen display and check its display performance. Top Dance, your trusted outstanding LED solutions.